Hello again, my friends. You see, today it's a fun day. So I got on this GPS multimedia players. I was thinking maybe I should use it in my garage or around there, you know, with two loudspeakers. It's a really powerful player. Obviously, it's a car player, and it comes from a Honda Civic. Today I just want to check if it's working or not, if it's still alive. So far, behind here we have the connection diagram or schematic. We have pin number 1, it's ground, and pin number 9, it's auto battery. I'm not sure what should I do about all the others, but we have the front, left and right speakers also. I also have cables and connectors, a GPS antenna, and some other stuffs related to this player. Oh, that's the radio antenna, audio decoder. What is this for? I don't know. Some inputs. Okay, and probably this is the main connector here. Because we are looking for some thick cables, and it's exactly what I was looking for. The black it's ground and the yellow, okay, that goes there. Very nice. But it goes where? I mean yellow thin cable. Oh yes, of course. This is the connector to the car system. Car connectors, of course. Okay, first measure for shorts. Rule number 1, continuity mode, and I'm gonna measure these guys here. So I believe this is the ground. Let's see. Yeah, that's the ground, and that's the plus. And we have a capacitor of some sort. Look there. The capacitor is charging and discharging once I reverse the polarity. So we are good, no short. Next, I'll bring 12 volts from my power supply. We should have a cable. Let me check the voltage. There we go, 12.7 volt. Oh, don't short me, please. Luckily the power supply it's pretty responsive with shorts. Like that. The black should go into the mains. Just like that. We have 1 amp already, so that's good news. And we have some beeps here. What's happening? Okay, so this is out. I have like, all right, it's starting. That's all, and just died. Okay, I have a red LED over there. Okay, I have the red. Well, it's looking like something wrong with the screen. Probably not enough current. I can hear some beeps there, but okay, there we go. Come on. Probably need a second 12 volts from the ignition, and that can be number 10, ACC. Lots of interesting things here. What is that ACC on number 10? What the ACC could be? Okay, so that's the red one. Where? This is the ignition something. Like that. Okay. Now everything is much easier. Let me connect this back. Ground to minus and plus. Go. There we go. Yeah, there is a problem with the screen. Let me touch this red one. You see this one here? To plus. Briefly. Yeah, it's booting. Pin number 10 is going to plus, and this comes from the general contact of the car. So far, well, the screen got a problem, that's obvious. Alright, it's booting now. Let's wait for it. Is it a touch screen? I don't know. Come on. Android. Yes. Alright. Well, now the screen it's okay. It's looking good. Yeah, it's a touch screen. No disk. Okay. Yeah, I think there is a problem with some connectors. That's the way it should. No. Let's see. Radio. Well, it's working somehow. With a slight display problem here. Do we got anything related to... What's this? Okay, so there's the vase. Okay, no GPS. Of course there is no GPS because I don't have the antenna. We have a... Do we have a DVD here? I have a CD. It's working! Let me see if I have a loudspeaker around here. Yes, I have a loudspeaker. And let me connect the loudspeaker to 6 front, right, 6 and 5 and 6. Okay. Okay, the white ones. There is some noise there. Don't we have enough volume? Oh, that's maximum. Okay. I can hear the disc spinning. It stops. Oh, come on. Now it's playing. I can see the numbers running there. We should hear some sound. Yes, it's working. It's working. Well, that was enough for today. So the CD player it's working, and the screen have a problem. Well, I don't know if it's really worth it, if it's worth the effort, but as long as I have it, I think it's pretty okay for a workshop player or something. No? What do you think? Kind of boombox with 2 loudspeakers or something. Anyway, so it's working. That's all I need. That's all I need for now. Like I said, it's fun day, so I'm pretty sure this one is working. I'll be back with the next development of this project, but for now I'm satisfied. I'll check the display, maybe I can fix the connection there, we'll see. Anyway, it's not open, we can see that it's looking very good. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope it's useful like usually. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, don't be shy. And of course, like always, thanks to my sponsors, Radu G from Belgium and Vlad from Amphia Records, Jack from States, of course. I'll be back with some others soon. In the meantime, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.